Today's episode, we're at the local Home Depot trying to replace our lost citrus trees. We managed to make it to the nursery and we're getting a few good trees, and I'll tell you the main reason why I'm picking these trees is because of this right here. The 1 year guarantee. These trees are $34.98. I've been able to find them for $25 as the season wears on, closer to the fall, and $29. But after the winter we had, here's the Improved Meyer lemon. Once again, that's the most important tag you can have. After the winter we've lost about 12 trees, and I called the place where I got the trees from and I asked them, I said, did y'all have any kind of warranty on your trees? And they immediately told me, no sir, we don't have any warranty. So from now on, I'm gonna pay this extra $5 or $10 for this warranty right here, at least for the first year while they're in the ground growing. We'll be able to have the peace knowing that if they die, you getting dug out and you're gonna be right back on Home Depot's door for me to get me some more, or for me to get my money back. So what we have here is we have grapefruit going back in, which that doesn't look like a grapefruit to me, but it says ruby red grapefruit. We have the blood orange, the Moro blood orange. I know my kids don't really like the look of the blood orange, but I'm just getting that just for juice purposes. Improved Meyer lemon. And the Wari Satsuma. So we've lost a lot, but when you lose, you replace and you move on. There's a good bit. This is a Home Depot that's on Airline and Corsi in Baton Rouge. So that's where I am right now. We were driving around, going to all of the local places trying to find some good deals, and we managed to come here. They got a brown select Satsuma, but it doesn't look too good, so we're gonna pass on that one. It's up in there, it looks real weepy. I don't want to start off with that. But they have some of the other grapefruits. Look, I might choose a different grapefruit. This one looks a little bit healthier than the one that I got outside, so I might go ahead on and try to get that one. Look how nice and tall that's looking in there, lush. You might get that one. So this is what we're doing. We're trying to replace some trees. We're not going to go all out like we did last year with like buying all those trees at one time. We're going to take our chance now. I think we need one more tangerine tree, and that'll kind of, and an orange tree, and that'll kind of round us out for the year. So let's get these paid for and get to our truck. Wow.
That one is better.
Kind of like the canopy better on that one, the one that we have.
Yeah.
It's coming out with the 3.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Let's stick with this one. 1 year, money back guarantee. So, do we want the blood orange or do we want the red navel orange?
We're going
red navel for this year?
Yeah, we're gonna try that.
Alright.
It's kind of
may come back. If they go on like a deep discount at the end of the season and that one's still there, we'll come back and get it. Not bad. Just saw a beauty over here though.
Yep.
So we'll go with that. So that's our 4 for this episode.
Final 4.
Final 4. First 4. First out of whatever. Hopefully they don't die on us, but we'll do this and we'll get these in maybe within a few weeks. Not today, not this weekend, but within a few weeks. Happy birthday.
Yeah, it's my
Happy birthday.
It's my mama's birthday.
Uh-oh. How does it feel to be back in the citrus game?
Oh,
yeah,
good.
baby.
Feels good.
What are their prices on their citrus trees here?
$35.
Same from that same company, right? And they come with the 1-year guarantee here as well. So this is that same company that's given the to, if you see that, Becknell and Sons. This is the same company, I guess, for this region or area. It's dropping off citrus trees to all the different stores, and they're just putting their own tags on them. This one is 35. Home Depot is 34, 98, which is 35. But that 1-year guarantee is what we're looking for. So I know that I can come here and get some citrus if I need it, right? Or any Walmart, because they're probably about to start putting them out. Or I can wait and hold off till probably around fall. They may discount them back to about $20. Being that it's Walmart, is almost a given they will. So let's get us.
Get a confri on it.
Wow.
But it did, not good like.
What kind of tree is that? That's
Apple.
a strong looking tree. Dorset Golden. And our trees are no way this thick. That's why I wanted to come here and get these, because I paid like $12 for a bare root last year. And this year I wanted to get something a little thicker. These look like they're gonna do way better. And that's gonna be a Dorset Golden. They was telling me about other varieties. The guy Morning Gardener was telling me, but I was telling him as well that we only more so have just the Dorset and the Anna varieties here. So I'll look around and see if I see any other variety. See, that's an Anna as well. So if I see any other variety, I might go ahead on and get it. So give us a sec so we can pick out these trees that we're going to take. I must say, this is kind of sad. Walmart don't even water their trees. Look at this. I mean, it just like, please water. And these things are so light. These pots are so light that as soon as we get them, we're probably going to have to repot them anyway. But once again, 1-year guarantee. Wow. We found one with an apple on it. Some people wouldn't want to buy this, but me, this makes me happy because I know that this tree does fruit. There's one here. I'm spinning around. I see there's 2 here. So this is a fruiting tree. I can tell that it's at bearing stage, and that's what I like about this size tree. Beverly says I can only get 2 trees, but once she sees this, shh, I guarantee you she's gonna let me get 3. Love it, baby. Last tree, I mean, it looks really, really, really sad. I'm gonna get it, and like I say, I look on here, this one I'm looking for from now on. I lost, last year we had 2 peach trees. Within a month, they were dead when I got them from the nursery. I need that 1-year guarantee on all of my trees from this day on. I gotta have it. It's coming from the same nursery, the same place. It's just sold at a different company. So don't think because it's at Walmart that it's some hybrid, or I mean, most things are hybrid. Most trees are grafted and made, and you know, finding disease resistance, that's kind of like the hybrid deal. But that 1-year guarantee, you can't beat it, guys. Can't beat it. $20 for $19, you can't beat a 1-year guarantee and a peach tree. For $20, a fruiting and an apple, you can barely buy a barrel tree for $20 here. I'm taking these home. Let's go find Beverly. Let's go find her.
$19 outside. 1 year guarantee. So if they don't make it, I'll bring them back.
Here she is. She's already looking. Oh, and she has some little rotisserie chicken. I know what you're gonna say.
I said 2.
I know what you're gonna say, but look at this.
You got a fruit on it. Some on it. You got fruit already? No, I see one.
Look at that.
That one and that one.
We can't leave this one out.
I was the one who picked that up first.
No, you picked this one.
No, I didn't.
This one
pick
was
that.
inside.
No,
On
it
the
was
inside.
outside.
No, I had to move the stuff to go get it. You always want to try to say you picked the one that had the fruit on it. Way better. And that's gonna be a Dorset Golden. And we're back. Those little things look good over there. Them little white pencil.
Oh yeah, baby. Daddy got his fever that away now.
Got my old fruit tree fever is gone. She's acting like she didn't have the fever. She's been looking at them dead trees herself.
The ice cream is good.
Say see you later, peoples.
See y'all later.
Ice cream face.
So let's take all this stuff out of here. We have us 4 citrus, 2 apples, and 1 peach. The citrus fruit orchard is on the way back. Yeah, boss.